everyone doing? Summer is coming to an end, but all of the summer sets this year ate. If you don't already, go follow my Instagram at Kaysklawss and you will see. I've been doing a lot of what we're doing today, which has to do with like the cheetah print and like the 3D flowers. So yeah, stay tuned to see what we do. Now that I'm thinking about it, actually, I was going back and forth with my client. Do y'all call this the cheetah print or a tortoise? Because I was looking at both animals side by side, and it could be both, but we were going for the cheetah in this set. Let me know in the comments. I'm going in with I think this is like a stiletto tip. It could be a stiletto or almond tip. I use either or just because it's easier to shape it into an almond. I always end up doing it my own way anyways, like so. Key will be to file underneath the tip where the point is at, and depending on how pointy your clients like it, remember, equally go side by side. Look at how cutesy the shape came out, and that was from starting off with the coffin square-ish tip. Let me know if that works for y'all. Me a secret, y'all already know. Going in with my J&J Hippo Pink. This is a lot of my clients go to. Could be a little bit more on the pale side, but it has a little pink pale, if you know. To all my nail techs out there, or a client, how was it working during the summer? Because I cannot count how many days my acrylic was either getting hot or drying too fast. This is always a struggle every year, but let me know how y'all deal with that. It wasn't as bad because, say, but yeah. Going in with my 100 grit file, and remember we start off sidewall to sidewall and then we go underneath. We can't forget all the crusties underneath.
Get some end now, let your edge out.
Anything I use will be linked down below in case you guys have any questions. And this is a safety 5-in-1 Pana carbide drill bit. I really recommend this one. It's not as sharp, so 9 times out of 10 you won't cut your client, but you always just want to be safe. And yes. You see how I'm very generous with the buffing, and that's because we are not having lumps and bumps in 2024. Always remember to look at your nail from the side profile and make sure it's smooth. What do you guys call this design right here? I love to say it's either the Maddie nails or it's like the poster girl outfit nails. Do you know what I mean? Whatever the design is called, I love it. Let me know what y'all think it's called. Now going in with this sheer brown gel polish I got from Amazon. Everything will be linked down below, and I will cure that for 60 seconds. Now going in with my Mia Secret blooming gel. I am doing this in a thin coat, and I'm basically doing brown circle motions and just letting the blooming gel do its job. Also, animal prints are imperfect, so don't focus on that too much. Didn't mention this, but this is a tip. Try to do one finger at a time because the bloom will bloom too much, if you know what I mean. And to top it off, I will be going in with another layer of that sheer brown coat, just to make everything blend in together. Do y'all see that? We're quickly fixing this little tip part. Didn't realize that she might have accidentally touched it while putting it in the lamp. But yes, also guys, I know this aura effect might look different than what you guys are used to seeing, but it's what works for me. If y'all would like to know exactly how I do this, let me know. But it gives aura, so that's all that matters. I'm literally so obsessed with all of the sets that I did this summer, but this has got to be one of my favorite ones. Let me know how I did. This is with flash, and then this is without flash. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.